What's up, my dear students? It's Naresh Babu. Welcome back to Physics Crash. Students, in this session, I'm going to discuss about ray optics from JEE Mains 2021. Let us start the class. Ray optics, JEE Mains 2021. Here the first question. Region 1 and 2 are separated by a spherical surface of radius 25 cm. So here region 1 and 2 separated by this spherical surface whose radius is 25 cm. An object is kept in region 1 at a distance of 40 cm from the surface. See here, object is kept at O at a distance of 40 cm from this spherical surface. The distance of the image from the surface is, so we have to calculate image distance. Here the options, option A 55.44 cm, option B 9.52 cm, option C 18.23 cm, and option D 37.58 cm. Solution. From equation of spherical surface, we have mu2 by v minus mu1 by u is equal to mu2 minus mu1 by r, where mu2 means refractive index of second region, that is 1.4. mu1 means refractive index of first region, that is 1.25, and here u is 40 and r is 25 cm. If we substitute all information in this equation, then we will get 1.4 by v minus 1.25 by minus 40 is equal to 1.4 minus 1.25 by minus 25. Here in the place of u and r, we applied sign convention. Why? Because both object distance and radius of curvature in front of the spherical surface, so that is along negative x-axis, so we have to take sign convention, so we have to apply minus for both. So here in the numerator, if I subtract 1.25 from 1.4, I got 0.15 by minus 25. Now I moved 1.25 by 40 to the right side. Then I got 1.4 by v is equal to minus 0.15 by 25 minus 1.25 by 40. Now if I do simplification, then I got image distance v is equal to minus 37.58 cm. So from the given options, option D is the answer. Now we will go for second question. Here the second question. A ray of light passing through a prism of refractive index √3 suffers minimum deviation. It is found that the angle of incidence is double the angle of refraction within the prism. Then the angle of prism is dash in degrees. So you have to calculate angle of prism here. Solution. Given refractive index mu is equal to √3 and angle of incidence is double the angle of refraction, that is I is equal to 2r1, but for minimum deviation 2r1 is equal to angle of prism, that is A. So for minimum deviation r1 is equal to r2 is equal to A by 2. From Snell's law, we have mu is equal to sin I by sin r, that means sin angle of incidence to the sin angle of refraction. So I substituted in the place of mu √3, then I got √3 is equal to sin I by sin r. If I do cross multiplication, then I got sin I is equal to √3 sin r. So here I is equal to A, in the place of I substituted A, and r is equal to A by 2. So in the place of r I substituted a by 2. Then I got sin a is equal to root 3 sin a by 2. If I apply formula sin 2 theta by 2, then I will get 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Here theta by 2 a by 2. So here we apply sin 2 theta by 2, then we got 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. That means 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. That is equal to root 3 sin a by 2. So here in LHS and RHS side, both sin a by 2 cancelled. And if we move 2 to the right side, then I will get cos a by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos a by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 means a by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. From this, a is equal to 2 into 30, that is equal to 60 degrees. So we got angle of prism, that is 60 degrees. Now third question. A ray of light passes from a denser medium to rarer medium at an angle of incidence I. So here a ray of light is passing through denser medium to rarer medium having angle of incidence I here. The reflected and refracted rays makes an angle of 90 degrees with each other. So here this reflected ray and refracted ray makes an angle 90 degrees with each other. The angle of reflection and refraction are respectively r and r dash. So here angle of reflection r and angle of refraction r dash. The critical angle is given by, so you have to calculate critical angle. And here the options, option A sin inverse cot r, option B tan inverse sin I, option C sin inverse tan r dash, and option D sin inverse tan r. Solution. From figure, we know that r plus r dash plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees, that is right angle. So from above equation we can write r dash is equal to 90 minus r. Here I equal to r, so we can write 90 minus I. From Snell's law, we know refractive index of second medium with respect to first medium is equal to sin I by sin r dash. That implies, so here n21 I can write n2 by n1. Then if I do cross multiplication, then I will get n1 sin I is equal to n2 sin r dash. So here instead of r dash I can write 90 minus I. Then I got n2 sin 90 minus I. So from the above equation I got n1 sin I, that is equal to n2 cos I. That means sin 90 minus I means cos I. That implies, so tan I is equal to n2 by n1. That means here I moved cos I to the left side and n1 to the right side. Then I got tan I is equal to n2 by n1. That is equal to sin C. So we know the formula for critical angle, that is sin C is equal to 1 by n21. So you can write n2 by n1 is equal to sin C. That implies C is equal to sin inverse tan I. Here I is equal to r, so we can write sin inverse tan r. So finally we got critical angle, that is sin inverse tan r. From the given options, option D is the answer. That's about this session. I hope you like this session. If you like it, share it and subscribe it and have fun. Bye students.